Hi there. Hey, my name is Andre Helms. I came across your website here when I typed into Google up here, water damage of Reno. I went ahead and hit search. I didn't find you guys though until I got down here until page, I think it's page 2. Let's go back over here towards the bottom here. Okay, you guys aren't being seen. Anybody that's on page 1, after page 1, pretty much is not being seen. Obviously, Google's a new phone book. As I said, my name is Andre Helms, and I own an SEO agency out here. We specialize in getting businesses up to page 1 in their local area. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a couple of tricks that you can do. There's a couple of tips that are really valuable that you can do on your own that'll help get your page moving forward if you choose to do so. This is something we can help you with too. But these tips, a lot of people miss this because they're just not sure. They don't know what they don't know. So you got to kind of speak Google's language, and once Google recognizes these certain things, it knows now what to rank you for and how to rank you. It'll start moving your site forward. Okay, so let me go back here to page 1 real quick. So these guys, I'm sure you recognize some of these guys in the maps section up here, and all these guys down here, probably some of your competitors. These guys are getting 90% of the phone calls because this is where when people are typing in this term, water damage of Reno or water damage restoration of Reno, terms of that nature, this is what's coming up. Google is about the end user experience. They want to satisfy what they're looking for, and they're also about trust. And if you put the right things in place, Google will start to recognize you. So let me get right to it. I'm going to show you guys. Let me go down to your site here to where you guys are at, down here on page 2. Okay, so you see right here these clickable links. These are called meta tags or meta titles. Okay, number one thing Google uses. Okay, they need to grab information from that to know how to rank you and what to rank you for. The key is, see right here, this is what their clients are typing in, right? You want to be congruent with that. So if you can be congruent with that, and that you stick that term right here, that's going to be huge. Google now has something to grasp onto. It now knows how to get your site. It knows what your site's about and what you're trying to rank for. Okay, so that's going to be one key thing. How I found that out is I use a tool called Rank Daddy. I stuck your name in here, and I extracted the metadata, and it showed me you don't have any title or description. So that's kind of what that is. This is, like I said, Google uses this information to know how to rank you and what to rank you for. Okay, so you're allowed 72 characters right here. Once you stick this term, there's the basic keyword down here, you put that in here, then put like a vertical line, and then put your name. Boom, you guys are speaking Google's language now. It knows what to do. Second thing, we'll go over here, same tool, Rank Daddy. This is called H1, H2 tag. Well, what are those? H1, H2 tags, think of a book. A book has chapters in it, right? Every chapter has a title of each chapter. So think of your web page as a chapter. It needs to have a title. A title from Google's eyes, though, where it recognizes it and it knows what to do. This is the second most important thing that Google uses to know how to rank you and what to rank you for. You read right here, your page does not contain any H1 tags. You need to have something. And basically that something is this. Same thing people are typing in. You want to be congruent. So now you'll have one match down here because you're going to have that term here. And 2, you're going to have it right here. You only want to have one line. You don't want to have 2, 3, or 4 lines. Just one line, and that'll cover it. Now Google has 2 key pieces of information. It knows what to do. Your site will start moving. If you implement those 2 things, you'll probably start to see your site move and starting to rank higher up page 2, starting to move towards page 1 in a matter of a week or 2, or maybe even less. Okay, this down here is H2. You got a bunch of terms down here. That's okay. You can have 3 or 4 or 5 terms down here. The key is you want these H2 headings to be, services or whatever you want to put down here that are going to be supportive of what you have up here. Right now you don't have anything here, so Google's confused, so it doesn't know what to do. So those are the 2 basic tips there. Once you do that to your site will start to see some movement. And the reason I'm bringing all this up here, here's some of the benefits that will take place. Obviously, once you get here to page one, and you know, there's other factors involved. So two things I just showed you are key things that will help starting to get it moving. There's other key factors as well that get you to page one quicker and will keep you there. And once you get here, you have to be prepared, because if you're not, you know, once you do get to page one, the benefits are obviously your phones will start to probably double or triple. That obviously means more customers for you guys, more revenue, more income for you and your team. And apart from that, you guys will gain authority in your niche, because you guys will be the ones consistently showing up here on page one on a regular basis, which gives you authority, not only in your niche, but also with Google. It also gains some trust with Google, and Google wants that. So, hey, keep me in mind. I'll leave my information on your, I'll leave my information in my email. Feel free to give me a call. I'd love to just answer some questions. I just love to just get a simple conversation going. Maybe see if we can be a fit. But take those valuable tips I gave you, put them to use, and you'll find yourself starting to at least make some movement. And in the future, you know, here, you know, maybe we can, like I said, see if we can be a fit for each other and get you guys' phone ringing off the hook for at least a little while. Okay? All right, man. You guys take care. Have a good rest of the week, and I'll look forward to maybe a reply from you guys. Bye-bye now.